Hey, where's the guy with the SUV?
Dylan, we
Do you
confirm?
think you could hold out with him? You're the most quiet. You could just snipe and right up this trail.
I could. I was thinking about moving up with you guys and covering you guys as a fallback.
I've been videotaping for 25 seconds.
Game on!
Game on! Alright, let's go, bitches.
Good luck, man. Get back in cover. Stay there. Yeah, I'm more up here. Yeah.
You're all gonna be famous, so I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
O'Doyle rules!
You want to grab a couple people and take high side that way? Grab a couple people there. Hey, the two kids who are brothers up there.
Oi!
Who are brothers? Well, it's not you guys. Okay. We're just going to push all the way through. Go ahead.
Someone just go Leroy Jenkins. That'd be awesome.
There's a whole big group of them, I will.
Oh, dude, I'm videotaping. I'll catch it, man. Alright, chumps, let's do this.
Underbeads on me.
Which way should I go? This way. This way. Damn it. I'm tired of these stumps, man.
Yep.
Ref! Hey, Rev coming through! Jesus. We got this. Hey, watch out. YouTube. Whole world's gonna see this. What? I'm trying to get, well, I don't know which part's your good side. It's alright. My bad. Watch out. Coming above you. Oh, sucks. Videotaping. 33 flavors of pain. Yeah, whatever. Screw you. Just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. O'Doyle rules!
Come on, pop out.
Oi! Stop shooting at me, you little bitch. What? No. Why? Cause why? I'm videotaping. Oh, for God's sakes. Yes.
You can't videotape people in Vietnam if they don't say unless they say so.
Oh, damn.
2 reps. And
Alan said I could videotape.
yeah, I know, but like, you just totally give away those guys' positions. Cause
They don't know someone's there.
yeah, they do.
Well, they're shooting at him, so.
Yeah, but like, you can't just like walk behind people and start videotaping them. So like, you can go to like someone and be like, hey, do you mind if I follow you and videotape you? Or if they tell you to leave, you gotta leave. Cause that's kind of like that's the reason I left the noobs. It'd be kind of unfair if I sat there with my orange vest and been like, you know.
Yeah, okay. I get you.
Okay. So you are here on a videotape, cause those guys are out in the open. You can videotape those.
Well, they're already yeah, they're already being shot at. So.
You just want to be careful.
All right, thanks. Sorry for arguing.
Great.
Sorry, man. Mind if I videotape you guys?
Go for it.
All right, sweetness. Okay, so what now?
How much time you got on that recording so far?
6 minutes. No, right now 7.
It's been 5 minutes. We were hitting the first 2
Get
minutes.
out of
I
this
think, right?
crossfire anyways.
Yes. Dead man walking.
Alright, thank you.
I would like to videotape you people. It's for my sex videos. Just joking. I'll tweet that part. Ow! I just got hit in the back.
Oh, come on, Mag.
And dead rag.
And dead rag. Your damn Mag is getting in trouble.
Just got hit in the back. Ow. Alright.
I'm gonna walk under a tree. I'm so damn tall. Hold it. Wave around like you're in a parade. But then it looks almost pink, and that's not cool.
Dance around like a bunch of faggots.
Dude, you should just come out here and just all pink BDUs. That's it. And a Hello Kitty gun.
Hi guys.
Oh, shoot. No, dude. Yeah, you pink BDUs with that feminine fatal G&G gun.
Yeah.
Oh, that.
Hey, my towel. And you're like, what the fuck is this? What's going on here?
Don't they have that one that.
I'm just playing a friendly game of airsoft, people.
Can we go home to my house and have nice baby drinks?
I am really loving that muscly Milston person.
Your backpack's full of cosmos.
Walk up to me. Oh my god, that top clashes with that bottom. Look at how thick that.
I love your Mitch helmet. Oh my lord.
Oh my god, these cosmos are so 1980s.
Is that a 1997 Tokyo Marui? Oh my lord. That is so hot.
Trying apart. Some type of screw. Mine.
That's funny.
What?
Alright,
The Tokyo Marui part?
the whole thing.
Apparently there's a medic back here.
Hey, Sam! Yeah, they're probably hiding.
That's what a minute ago.
Shh.
Straight ahead.
Probably hiding. Hey, these guys are blues. You can pop up now. See, there he is.
That's all. You know what? At first I thought that wasn't going to work. I changed my mind.
So he looks good right now.
Sam! Where the hell did he go? Where's where's Sam?
There's no medics up here. It's just me. There's a guy here earlier across the stream.
Well, let me know when we get to 12 minutes.
Oh, right 10 minutes.
Because we can just tag in on him until at 12.
Oh, Doyle rules.
Banana.
Okay. What?
Will we get in trouble for throwing bananas around?
Depends what you mean by bananas.
Airsoft Utah, they throw snowballs at people in the winter like grenades. Watching us
Snowballs?
Yeah, snowballs.
They-
The one guy grabs a rock and
That's all I
tosses
would
it.
do.
They're like, what?
That's all I would do is just have nothing but snowballs.
Dude, airsoft with snowballs? Fuck yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's like back when people used to throw tennis balls to be grenades, and there was just nothing but tennis balls being thrown around everywhere.
Start chugging them at people. Alright, that's one.